Hello, this is Jay at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Today I'm going to show you a trade that we have here, a 2020 19-foot Lexington. I really like the paint job on this one. It actually has kind of a chameleon feel to it. You'll get hints of purple, green, and black depending on where you're at in the boat. I also do like the addition of the docking lights here as well. We'll go ahead and go back to the transom and I'll show you what this boat's outfitted with. As you can see here at the transom, this is outfitted with a 150 horsepower Suzuki 19-foot boat, tri-toon, with a 150 on it. This boat's really going to fly. Also, you'll notice it does have a really nice sturdy ski tow bar, so any water sports you want to do, any tubing with the kids, definitely can do that with this boat. This is also a tri-toon design, as I mentioned, which is perfect for this bay and the sound, especially how it gets choppy out here. Here top side, you'll see as far as the helm's concerned, we do have a Simrad, fish finder, GPS. This also does have the nice stainless steel push button controls, and I really like the wood grain look you have here. Bolster seating on the helm seat here, as well as this nice L design. Has plenty of room to seat you and as many friends as you want to bring out. I'd probably say up to about 9-10 people. This would facilitate that. I also do like the accent on the stitching there. Just gives it a really nice look. If you'd like to stop by the lot and take a look at this, or maybe take it for a spin, give me a call at 850-225-9797.